I'm Amanda Messerschmidt, and I'm the brand ambassador for iSolutions. In 1996, a company called Alf Construction, at that time it is now Alfco, was founded by Scott Alf. It started as a facility maintenance company in a small town in Iowa. He had a son, and who is now part owner of Alfco. It has grown into this fantastic facilities maintenance. Part of the facilities maintenance that they were doing for a lot of these big box retailers was snow removal. With snow removal, we were trying to be innovative and find better ways to get to pavement quicker, because ultimately that's what the customers want. Safe environment, and they want to see their pavement pretty quick. They started using a liquid de-icing product, and the founder, Scott Alf, had this vision a long time ago to manufacture and produce brine at a bigger scale, not just for the contractors that were using it, as well as all of our self-perform employees. In 2025, they made that dream a reality, and we now have iSolutions. iSolutions is a liquid de-icing product, but the special thing about iSolutions is not only are they offering the liquid de-icing product to the contractors, but it's also now going to be able to be purchased by homeowners. Our commercial motor vehicles have helped tremendously because we can purchase the flatbed trucks from H+H, and we can put larger tanks and applicators on the backs of those trucks, which allows us to hit more sites, more of our customer locations, without having to go back and refuel, which is ultimately helping the bottom line, the P&L. We have not had any issues when it comes to reliability. Anytime that we've had any questions or anything like that that we've needed answered, we can call and somebody's always going to answer. And if they don't have the answer, they're going to send us to the person that does. The H+H service team has been extremely helpful. H+H people come here to our shop to answer any questions. So if we're looking to put something even larger on a truck, we can call them and use them as a resource, and they will give us the best idea that would best fit our needs. Obviously, we're using the trucks year-round. So the beds of the trucks for hauling capabilities, tools, equipment, the beds are easy to wash out. They're easy to keep clean and very presentable, which is extremely important, not only to iSolutions, but it's also very important as a presentation piece. You want people to see these trucks are branded, you know, your name's on the side of them. So we always want them to look clean, presentable. We can use them all year round, and then we get the efficiency out of them, especially on the winter side. We are starting to prep for the winter season, which is crazy because if you think about it, in some places you could probably expect snow or some sort of winter type precipitation within the next 90 days. We're starting to go through a prepping process, not only going through the manufacturing, but you can see here there's 2 trucks in here that already have applicators that are installed on them. And then we start to go through these equipment checks, make sure that we have the proper equipment in place, that everything is working, and ensuring that we are going to be efficient as possible. It's extremely important to have a trusted partner because we are the experts in liquid de-icing. We are the experts in facility maintenance. We're not the experts in commercial trucks, H+H is. So having a dependable, reliable partner is extremely important because you're looking for somebody that's going to be honest with you, give you the setup to best suit the needs that you have to service your customer. Our overall experience has been fantastic.